Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data catalog entries in AWS Glue Data Catalog step by step clearly. To verify data catalog entries in AWS Glue Data Catalog, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Glue service from the Services menu. In the AWS Glue dashboard, locate the Data Catalog section on the left sidebar. Click on Databases to see a list of existing databases. Select the database that contains the entries you want to verify. Now, click on Tables to view the tables associated with that database. Identify the specific table you want to verify and click on its name. Review the table details displayed on the screen. Check the table properties to ensure the metadata is accurate. Pay close attention to the columns, data types, and any additional properties listed. Next, navigate to the Metrics tab for insights on table usage. Here, examine the number of partitions and data size for any discrepancies. If your table relies on crawlers, go to the Crawlers section in the dashboard. Check which crawlers are associated with your table and their last run status. If necessary, run the crawler again to refresh the catalog entries. Return to the Tables section to verify any updates made by the crawler. If you need to validate specific data entries, use the AWS Athena interface. Launch Athena from the AWS Management Console. Select the relevant database in Athena and enter a SQL query to examine the data. Run the query and review the results for completeness and accuracy. If discrepancies are found, revisit the Glue Data Catalog and edit the entries as needed. Consider documenting findings and changes for future reference. Once verification is complete, ensure to communicate any critical updates with your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.